आगे से बच्चे भी आ रहे हैं। अभी लीना लीना is not here today. Right. So in the last lecture we have seen that molecular orbitals vary the linear combination of atomic orbitals and the formation of molecular orbitals, the different types of molecular orbitals. Now the filling of electrons in the molecular orbital is also going to be done according to the Aufbau principle. So for that we would need the energy of molecular orbital. So the order of energy of molecular orbital, ध्यान दीजिए जरा, केस लिखिएगा. You have already written here energy of molecular orbital, and then you are going to write order of energy of MO. The order of energy of different molecular orbitals. Right. Now in this what happens? We have two different cases. First is case one. Case one, you're going to have number of electrons. If it is greater than 14, it is going to be sigma 1s. Lower energy, sigma 1s star, followed by sigma 2s, then sigma 2s star. Then you will have sigma 2pz. Then you will have pi 2px, which will be equal to pi 2py. Okay, will be equal to pi 2py. After that, you are going to have pi star 2px, which will be equal to pi star 2py, which will be greater than now. जो सबसे ज्यादा लार्जेस्ट होगा that will be sigma star 2pz. ठीक है. And case 2 जो है, case 2 is going to be when you are having electrons is equal to or more than or less than 14. ठीक है, ध्यान से case 2. Number of electrons less than or it is equal to 14. It is less than or equal to 14. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Sigma 1s lowest, and then sigma star 1s, then there will be sigma star 2s, then there will be sigma 2s. ठीक है, यहाँ तक सब कुछ same. Now after this you will have some difference, that is going to be pi 2px equal to pi 2py. Pi 2px equal to pi 2py. Then you will have sigma 2pz. उसके बाद बाकी सेम है ना, यहीं पे बस पलटी हो रहा है. After that you are going to have pi star 2px equal to pi star 2py, and at last you are going to have sigma star 2pz. Fine. याद कैसे रखना है इसको देखिए जरा. When you are having greater number of electrons greater than 14, तो कहां से स्टार्ट होगा? इट विल स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 15, है ना. 15 या 15 से ऊपर के लिए इट इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम व्हाट? केस 1 15, है ना. तो फिर क्या है? ऑड है, तो ऑड नंबर. ऐसे भी केस 1 है तो ऑर्डर यहाँ पे क्या होगा ना? 1 2 2 1. 1 पहले आएगा, उसके बाद 2 वाला है. ठीक है. व्हेन इट इज 14 और केस 2 है, केस 2 क्या हो गया? केस 2 हो गया क्या? इवन. इवन 2 में 2 से पहले स्टार्ट होगा. 2 1, ये तो बाद में 2 1 है. ठीक है, ऐसे याद रख लीजिएगा. आई मीन दिस इज द वे हाउ यू हैव टू रिमेंबर इट. केस 1 क्या होगा? 1 2 2 1. 1 2 आएगा पहले, पहले सिग्मा 2 pz, and then you are going to have pi 2px and equal to pi 2py. This is the order. So filling of electron will be done in sigma 1 is first, उसका sigma 1 star, then it is going to be filled in sigma 2 is so. Right? How you are going to remember it? Case 1, number of electron less greater than 14. Greater than 14 will be starting from 15. ठीक है, which is odd. So that is why it is case 1. 15 में 1. 15 for 15 is going to be 1. In case 1, you will have 1 2 2 1 type of sequence. In case 2, you are going to have 2 1 2 1 type of sequence. Okay, please write this down. We are going to do problems, and after the problems, you will understand it much better how we are going to use this. Just waiting for Ali. Now, before moving on to the different diatomic molecules, there are few remarks that we are going to write. Please write few remarks. We are going to use a certain symbols. You should be able to know. You should know what these symbols mean. I will say NB. This will be for number of electrons. Number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital. Na. This will be number of electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbital. Bond order will be equal to number of bonding minus number of anti-bonding divided by 2. Existence of a molecule. तो ये molecule exist करेगा या नहीं करेगा, if there is, if the molecule is going to exist in reality or it is not going to exist in reality, that will depend on whether there is any bond between the atoms, because the molecule is made by atoms, and atoms, if they are going to have bond in between them, then the molecule will exist. If there is no bond, that means the molecule will not exist. So there are three different cases. When the number of bonding it is greater than number of anti-bonding, then in that case, bond order it is going to be positive. Bond order is going to be positive. And if bond order is positive, that meaning bond exists, bond exists, and if the bond is existing, molecule also exists. Molecule also exists. I am just writing tick mark here, you write exists. Second case will be when the non-bonding, when the number of bonding electrons it is equal to the number of anti-bonding. And in that case, Na will be equal to 0. And 2 will be also equal to bond order also will be equal to 1, 0. Meaning bond does not exist, therefore molecule also does not exist. Molecule also exists. The case will be when the number of bonding it is less than that of anti-bonding. In that case, the bond order will be negative. Negative bond order. Here also molecule, meaning bond does not exist, and therefore molecule also does not exist. If the bond order is negative, that means obviously there is zero bond, na? Zero should be less. Fine. So we are going to do examples in that you are going to use these things, and then you will be able to remember them also. You don't have to spend time on memorizing what are these, what is the meaning of these things. We are going to use so much that you will be able to easily remember all of these parts, existence of molecule and everything. Okay? Now, right next, bond dissociation energy. Bond dissociation energy. I hope you are writing with me. Bond dissociation energy, it is inversely proportional to bond order. Inversely proportional to bond order. If the bond order is high, that means bond dissociation energy is on. It is not low. Bond order high. ये उल्टा लिख दिया हमने, my bad. If the bond order will be high, then the bond dissociation energy will also be high. 3 bonds, it will require more energy. 1 bond will require less. The bond dissociation energy, it is directly proportional to bond order. Oh, my bad. It is directly proportional to bond order, and then you have bond length. Bond length, it is inversely proportional to bond order. If the bond order is higher, bond length will be lower. Now, as you can see, if bond dissociation energy it is directly proportional to bond order, that means you can see the stability of molecule. It is also directly proportional to bond order. Then we are going to talk about magnetic property. Magnetic property. Now there will be two different cases. If all the electrons are paired, all electrons are paired, it will be diamagnetic.
Can you scroll up a bit?
I will scroll. Don't worry. Let me just complete this. Just one more line. And if one electron, even if one electron is unpaired, electron, I'm writing electron is unpaired. Even if it is one unpaired, it will be paramagnetic. These also. Anything else? Who asked me to scroll up? Who asked me to scroll up? Nobody. Who said me to? Who said to scroll up?
Me, sir, Sabiha.
Sabiha, you just came ना? हाँ इसको भी लिखिए सर. जल्दी क्यों नहीं बोलते हैं आप लोग? ठीक है, take a screenshot for the first one.
Okay.
Hope you have taken 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Write the remarks part. Waiting for Sabiha. Keep your hand up. Sabiha is done. Zainab done? Zainab? Zainab, are you done? By the way, guys, am I audible properly? See, if my
Yes,
voice is
sir.
breaking or something, please let me know
Yes, sir.
quickly, okay? I'm audible, right? Okay, fine. Everyone done? Okay, everyone is
Yes,
done.
sir.
Fine. Now, we are going to use these terms. Don't worry too much. We are going to use so much that you will have memorized by the end of the class. Okay, you don't have to worry too much here. But it is there in the note because after, like, for example, let's suppose after 4 or 5 months, when you are going to revise chemical bonding, then you should be having this particular part, like what is MV. I don't know. You must have forgot, right? So for that, I have written all of these things. Otherwise, it's not even required to write. Okay, what each and everything means. Now, right here, bonding in homonuclear, homonuclear diatomic molecules, diatomic molecules. ठीक है. Number one, H2 molecule. Please just see how what I am doing, how I am doing. Fine. Please just see what I am doing, how I am doing. And after that, you are going to answer me later on. Fine. Not now, not now. Please not now. Okay? Not now. Please don't write now. Try to understand. Now, and answer me if you can answer. In the H2 molecule, number of atoms? Number of atoms, how much? How many number of atoms? बताइए. अरे लिखने में लगे क्या? माइक ऑन रखिए ना, माइक ऑन रखिए. My voice is lagging. That's what I was asking.
हाँ सर, अभी 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 थोड़ा थोड़ा हो रहा है.
अभी अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा हो रहा है. अभी ठीक है. How is it now? Tell me, guys. Mic, keep your mic on, यार. Be responsive.
It's lagging, sir. It's
हाँ,
lagging.
it's lagging. Okay. Is it lagging for everyone?
But for me, it's fine.
For somebody it is fine. That means I don't have a problem here. Is it lagging for anyone else other than Sabiha? Is it lagging
Sir,
for
it's
anyone
fine
else?
now for me.
Okay. Was it lagging for anyone else? Yes or no भाई? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No, sir.
बाकी तुम नाम लेके बोले क्या? It lacks. Okay, fine, fine. Okay, ठीक है. Let's be responsive, यार. And it feels really like you don't have any even an iota of respect if I ask something and you are like just silent. क्या better? ठीक है. This is for some people who don't answer quickly. Answer quickly, fine. I hope you guys are here to study. चलिए. Number of atoms? How many atoms? How many atoms? How many atoms?
Two
Jaldi.
atoms.
Two atoms. Very good.
Two
Two
atoms.
atoms. Number of electrons in one atom. Number of electrons in each atom. In each atom. How many atom in hydrogen
One.
atom? How many electron in hydrogen atom? How
One.
much?
One.
Each atom is equal to 1. Total number of atoms. Total number of atoms. Bolo.
Two.
Total number of
Two.
atoms. 2. Very good. Molecular electronic configuration. See. See. I don't have to look for case 1 or case 2 till here. Can you see that? Bolo.
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me. That means I don't have to look for case 1 or case 2. Two electrons, two electrons, two electrons. Each orbital can hold two electrons. It is same as the atomic orbitals. In atomic orbitals also, each orbital can hold how many electrons? Two electrons with opposite spin. Here also, each molecular orbital can hold only two electrons with opposite spin. That means I don't have to worry till what? How many electrons? 2, 4, 6, 8 electrons. I don't have to worry about case 1 or case 2 till 8 electron. Does it make sense? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means molecular electronic configuration it is going to be sigma. Sigma. What? Sigma. Sigma 1s2. Does this make sense? Yes or no? Please tell me. Bolo.
Yes, sir.
The lowest molecular orbital, the molecular orbital with lowest energy, it is sigma 1s. The number of electrons that we have to fill is also 2. So in sigma 1s, we are going to fill 2 electrons. Does this make sense? How
Yes, sir.
can we show this?
Yes,
बनाने के लिए
sir.
क्या है? ना? They will ask you to make it. They will ask you to make it. So this is the 1s orbital of hydrogen atom. This is 1s. This is also 1s. You can make dabba, but dabba becomes very clumsy. So this is hydrogen atom. This is also hydrogen atom. This is the 1s. This is also 1s. When they are going to combine, they will form two molecular orbitals. The two molecular orbitals are going to be what? The two molecular orbitals are going to be sigma 1s and sigma star 1s. Here we have one electron from hydrogen. Here also we have one electron from hydrogen. After the combination of atomic orbitals, we are going to have two electrons on the lower energy level because the electrons will they will be at the lowest energy state possible. So that is why we are having two electrons in the sigma 1s. Does this make sense? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to have analysis. Analysis of hydrogen molecule. Analysis of hydrogen molecule. Number of bonding. This is BMO, right? This is bonding molecular orbital. This is anti-bonding molecular orbital. This is what? This is anti-bonding molecular orbital. Number of bonding electrons. How many bonding electrons? Bolo, jaldi bolo. How many electrons in the bonding molecular orbital? How many electrons in
Two.
the how many? Two. Thank you very much. Number of electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbital. Oh, wait.
One.
Anyone? One क्या? एक भी नहीं. Zero. There is no electron here in anti-bonding. There is zero electron. Let me know if you did not understand. Half of you must be like, sir, कितना अच्छा गा रहे हैं. अब बताइए, पढ़ाई करते हैं. Tell me. Bonding. Anyone has any confusion? अभी you said the answer. You don't have confusion. Fine, fine. Those who have confusion regarding this, please let me know. Nobody has confusion. तो सिर्फ एक ही बच्चे का आंसर क्यों आ रहा है? Why is only one answering? Jasleen, Ali, Sabiha, Zainab, Shaima. Tell me, are you okay with number of bonding? It is equal to 2, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All
Yes,
of you,
sir.
please turn your mic on. Shaima asks. Shaima, can you please turn your mic on? 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 Shaima, can you please tur See, the problem is you guys are not quick. Be quick. If you are going to give your mind time to think, it will think of multiple different things. That is why I say when I ask questions, answer it quickly. Because the first thing that is going to be coming in is an investment from the past, right? It's an investment from the past. I have trained, I have been teaching. That is why I know this. That the first thing that is going to, the only thing is that I should be asking the correct question. This is bonding orbital, yes or no? This is bonding orbital, China.
Yes, sir.
This is anti-bonding. How many electrons are present in the bonding?
2,
How many electrons will be anti-bonding?
0.
0. That is it. Number of bonding is equal to the number of anti-bonding. It is equal to 0. Tell me the formula of bond order. Bond order is equal to NB. Bolo. देख के बताओ. Don't write. See and tell me NB. Oh, NB आगे.
Minus Na by 2.
Minus Na by 2. Thank you very much. This will be equal to 2 minus 0 upon 2 will be equal to 2 upon 2 will be equal to 1. That means what is the bond order of hydrogen H2 molecule? Bond order, it is equal to 1. That means one bond exists between the two hydrogen atoms. One bond exists. Now, diamagnetic or paramagnetic. See, all the electrons are paired. Can you see that? All the electrons are paired. Can you see that? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
All the so diamagnetic. All electrons are paired. Therefore, diamagnetic. Diamagnetic. Healthy copy. Copy this down. Raise your hand once you're done. Waiting for Abir, Ali, Jasmine, and Shaima. Waiting for Ali and Shaima. Here. This is just a side note type of thing. If you remove one electron from H2, then it will be H2 positive. Now, in that case, the sigma 1s1 will be present. Sigma 1s means there will be one electron. In that case, the bond order will become half. And this will become paramagnetic. Now, if you are going to compare the bond orders, then bond order of H2 will be greater than that of H2 positive because we have removed an electron from the bonding molecular orbital. Therefore, we can say that stability of H2 is greater than that of H2 positive. And if I want to talk about the bond length will be H2 पॉजिटिव का ज्यादा होगा, and H2 positive will be larger in bond length because the attraction of the atoms is not very good. That is why the bond length is going to be larger. Copy this down. I hope all of you understood this. If you did not understand a single point, please let me know. I can re-explain it. Raise your hand once you're done. Zainab, see guys, if you don't understand something, please turn your mic on and ask me. Sometimes I don't get any notification for these chat messages. Zainab, can you please turn your mic on? What do you want me to re-explain? Can you please tell me?
The bond order part.
Bond order. The
Yes.
number of bonding it is equal to 1. Number of anti-bonding it will be equal to 0. So this is the bonding molecular orbital, right? We have only one electron here. Nb minus Na will be 1 divided by 2 will be equal to 0.5. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
That's it.
Yes, sir. So the stability part also.
Stability. What can you break easily? H2 or H2 positive? Which will be easily broken?
H2.
Sorry?
H2.
Why? H2 has one bond and H2 positive has 0.5 bond order. What will be broken easily?
The one bond.
0.5 is stronger than 1.
Yes.
How is 0. If there are two, if there is an atom, इसके पास एक like complete one bond है here, and there is an atom here, it has half one, that is bond order is how it has one electron. It can be easily broken. क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप? Bond strength, अरे भाई stability तो लिखाया है. Stability is directly proportional to bond order. If there is the number of bond is more, the stability will be higher. Zainab, what has happened?
Yes, sir. I got it now.
Got it now? क्या सोच रहे थे भाई आप?
I got
आपको ये
it.
लगा था ना 0.5 मतलब छोटा होगा तो नजदीक होगा, ये सोच रहे थे ना? Copy this down. Second, we are going to look at He2. He2. Second is He2. टोटल नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन डायरेक्टली बताइए. टोटल नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन गाइस, अरे बोलो. Yep. One helium atom has 2 electrons. 2 helium will be having 4 electrons. Molecular electronic configuration will be, we don't have to see case 1, case 2 till 8, right? So sigma 1s makes 2 electrons, and then we have what next? Sigma star 1s, right? Sigma star 1s makes 2 electrons. This is DMO. This is ABM, right? If you want to see the molecular orbital diagram, this is the molecular orbital diagram. Right? This is helium atom. This is helium atom. This is 1s atomic orbital. This is 1s atomic orbital. Both of this is having 2 electrons. And this is the sigma 1s. This is the sigma star 1s. And this is the Fe2, which is a A, and this is 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? Now, number of bonding, 2. Number of anti-bonding, 2. Bond order, 0. Therefore, molecule doesn't exist. Does this make sense? Yes or no? Please say. Does this make sense? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Copy this down. Raise your hand once you're done. After this, you are going to do on your own the third piece, that is lithium. ठीक है, कर लेंगे? Yes or no? Please tell me, guys.
Yes, sir.
Just one thing, you don't make this part, है ना? ये part मत बनाइएगा, ठीक है? Just do this part. Total number of electron, but it will be similar to that of hydrogen one. It is going to exist. Please do it on your own. You just write here like bonding or anti-bonding, and then calculate the bond order and everything. Please do it. Once you're done, please send the answer on my WhatsApp. If you're having difficulty now, guys, please let me know. Okay, this is the learning. You're going to do certain mistakes, and there is where the learning is going to happen. Right? Who has sent me the answers? Abhi, हाँ, Abhi, that is correct. Very good. Abhi.
Sir, we should send it in the chat.
No, WhatsApp, WhatsApp.
Okay.
How will you send in the chat? अरे बाप रे बाप. Saima, Shama, can you please turn your mic? Shama, कहाँ चली गई? Shama, Shama. Look at the order. Sigma 1s, then sigma star. Then after that,
Sigma 2s.
why you have written star then?
Sir, I thought
Maybe
it was case 2.
it was.
Case 2.
Why will be it case 2? Even in case 2, yeah. Even in case 2, it is same only, na? See, till 8 electrons, till sigma. See, case 2 it is also same, na? See here. No. Shaima?
Yes, sir.
यार is it same in यार हम लोग बोलते कुछ नहीं है यार. It's same in the case 2 also, na? Yes or no? Sigma 1 is sigma 1 is sigma 1 star sigma 1 sigma. Oh my bad. My bad, my bad, my bad. तो प्लीज चेंज कर लीजिए. माय बैड, माय बैड. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी. हमने कैसे लिख दिया? माजरत, बहुत माजरत, बहुत माजरत. यहाँ पे स्टार होगा. माय बैड.
Sir, I've sent you the answer.
हाँ ठीक है सर. दो केस टू में प्लीज मेक चेंजेस. इन केस टू प्लीज मेक चेंजेस. इन केस टू माय बैड प्लीज. माय सॉरी. आई डोंट नो हाउ आई डिड दिस मिस्टेक. थैंक यू. अच्छा हुआ भाई, पता चल गया मिस्टेक कर दिया हमने. ठीक है, इसको कर लीजिएगा प्लीज. ठीक, इसको ठीक कर लीजिएगा. सिग्मा 1 है, सिग्मा 1 स्टार, सिग्मा 2 है, देन सिग्मा 2 स्टार. सॉरी साइना, सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, बहुत माजरत. ठीक कर लीजिएगा. ये सारे ये कर लिया क्या? उल्टा सीधा कर लिया क्या मेरी वजह से? बहुत मांगे सारे. ठीक है? कुछ बच्चों ने ऐसे गलती गलती में सही कर लिया. तभी हाँ, तभी हाँ, तभी हाँ.
Yes, sir.
One request, do it like how I am doing it. Give brackets and write the two above the brackets. Sigma 1 star, then brackets, and 2 should be above the brackets. ठीक है?
Okay,
फाइन तभी
sir.
हाँ.
Okay, sir.
बिकॉज
Sorry, sir.
है ना, इस सॉरी हम तो क्या सॉरी. बिकॉज वो आपसे ऐसे ही पूछेंगे ना उसमें, स्कूल में. दे आर गोइंग टू, they want to write it like this one in the school. That is why I'm asking. Right? Bonding.
Okay,
So
sir.
बाकी चीज नहीं लिखिएगा आप लोग. You will write ना, molecule will exist, not exist, paramagnetic, diamagnetic, right? So I have got a few answers. Most of them are correct. So I think we can move forward. Sorry. Yes, Zainab,
Sir, I have sent you the answer.
you're sending the answer or you have sent the answer?
I have sent it.
Sent it. मैंने नहीं देखा आपका. आपको देखा हमने. Oh, मुझे. Molecule exists. Sigma 1 is बस वहां पे चेंज कर लीजिएगा. दैट विल बी नॉट सिग्मा स्टार 2s, दैट विल बी सिग्मा 2s.
Okay, sir.
है ना? वो दैट्स अ मिस्टेक फ्रॉम माय साइड.
Sir, I also sent.
जस्टिन, आई सॉ योर्स. जस्टिन, योर्स इज करेक्ट. You have written the order also correctly. Sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, and sigma 2s2. I will talk about the diagram. How are we going to do the diagram part? All pair. Fine. Now it is correct. Fine. So, Zainab, everything is fine in your answer. You just need to change that star. You just need to cut that star, and everything will be fine. Also, it is better if you guys label it as BMO or and ABM. Okay. Chalo. So see, in lithium, we are going to have how many electrons? Yeah, this is lithium. Lithium, this is 1s, and then you are going to have lithium 2s also, right? So lithium 2s. This is lithium atoms, 2s orbital. Similarly, you are going to have things like this. ठीक है, अब सिग्मा में दिस विल बी लाइक दिस, so this is going to be sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. How many electrons in total? अच्छा यहाँ पे हमने take this will be 3 ना, हाँ ठीक. Now how many electrons total? We are having 6 electrons. So 6 electrons will be filled in the lower orbital first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can say molecular electronic configuration. It is going to be sigma 1s. We are having 2 electrons. Then we are having electrons in sigma 1s star. In this we are having 2 electrons, and then we are having electrons in sigma 2s and 2s. So this is bonding. This is anti-bonding. This is bonding. So you can say number of bonding, it is equal to 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. Number of anti-bonding, it is equal to 2. Therefore, the bond order will be equal to 1. And all the electrons are paired. All electrons are paired. Therefore, diamagnetic. Therefore, diamagnetic. Right? And the molecule will exist. Molecule exists. Lithium and lithium will have one bond. The single one will exist. Okay, so this is how you are going to draw. So by the way, this part na, it tells about the energy. ऐसे जो है ना ये वाला increasing order of energy. So you know that sigma 1s is lower energy, sigma 2s is of higher energy according to the ये also. Like the according to atomic 1s is going to what? It is going to have lower energy rather than 2s. N plus L rule, all of these things. Right? So this is the energy order. Here we are going to have lower energy, and there upper we are going to write more energy. The diagram is mandatory to draw where? In my class?
Yes, sir. For exam also.
So for exam, they can ask you multiple things. Whether they will ask you lithium is diamantic, paramagnetic, none of these, all of these. So then you will say diamantic. If they ask you specifically, draw the molecular orbital diagram for lithium 2 molecule, then you will have to draw it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just practice once or twice, and you will be fine with it. Okay, it's really tough. You will get a hang of it if you practice it today, and then you have some gap, and then you practice it again, and you practice it again. You will be easily remembering it. Raise your hand if you're done, guys. See, slowly we are going to leave certain things. For example, in this case, we have not written the number of atoms. We have not written the number of electrons also. We directly knew that lithium is 6, lithium is 3, 2 lithium is going to have 6. Right? Waiting for Beer and Jasleen. Fourth one is fourth होगा ना के बाद beryllium and boron. Beryllium will be homework. Beryllium 2 will be homework. ठीक है. How much? Number of electrons is equal to 8. Fine. So till 8 we are going to have similar cases. We don't have to look at case 1 or case 2. Fifth we will write boron 2. In boron 2 the number of electrons is how much? What is the atomic number of boron? 5. So the number of electrons is how much? Tell me guys.
10.
10. Now you tell me case 1 or case 2. Case 1 or case 2?
Case 1.
Case 2.
Case 2.
Case 2,
Case
right?
1. So less than 14.
One just mean
Case 1.
So case 2 है ना less than 14. तो hey, Jasleen, am I audible? Jasleen, hello.
Yes. So you're lagging a bit.
Number of I'm lagging for everyone.
Yes, sir.
Am I lagging for anyone else?
Yes, sir.
Okay. भाई तो थोड़ा जल्दी बोल दिया करो यार. अभी लैग कर रहे हैं क्या? Just right now. Just give me a second. Yeah. Is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
I hope Justine you understood this, right?
Yes.
So moving on. Number of electron it is equal to 10. Okay. So it is going to be case 2 and that means case 2 में 2 will come first then 1. 2 that means 5. 2 means 5. Molecular electronic configuration going to be sigma 1s 2, then you will have sigma star 1s 2, then you will have sigma 2s 2, then you will have sigma star 2s 2. Now you will have phi 2px equal to phi 2py. They will come together. Now, how are we going to conceive? These orbitals are having same energy. So, whenever you have orbitals with same energy, whenever you have orbitals with same energy, then there will be one electron like this and there will be one electron like this. Does this make sense? Yes or no, please?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So, 8, 9, and 10. 8, 9, and 10. So, this is what? Bonding, anti-bonding, bonding, anti-bonding, and both of these are what? Bonding molecular orbital. So, number of bonding will be equal to 2, 2, and 2, 6. Number of anti-bonding, it is equal to how much? 2, 2, 4. That means bond order is equal to 1. 6 minus 4, 2, 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Okay. The important point to note down is, see that. Do I have all of your attention? Am I audible? Yes or no? Do I have your attention, guys? Tell me. Are
Yes,
you
sir.
listening? See. Very important, very important, very important. Whatever bond order is coming from sigma 1s will be cancelled by sigma star. Does this make sense? Yes or no, please tell me. Sigma 1s will cancel sigma.
Yes, sir.
Whatever is coming from sigma 2s will be cancelled by sigma star. That means there is no sigma bond, only pi bond. Oh my god. Oh my god. There is no sigma bond in B2 molecule. We have only one pi bond. There is one bond in B2, and that is what according to molecular orbital theory, that bond is a pi bond. That is not a sigma bond. Boron is bonded with boron, and this bond is what? Is a pi bond, not a sigma. According to molecular orbital theory. Obviously, according to the valence bond theory or the valence bond theory, according to this is going to be obviously a sigma bond, because first of all, head-on overlapping take place, and then the overlapping, lateral overlapping takes place. All of these things happen. But according to molecular orbital theory, the electrons of this particular bond, they lie in the pi bond, so it is going to be pi. If they lie in the pi molecular orbital, that's why it is going to be pi bond. This will be paramagnetic. There are two unpaired electrons, therefore paramagnetic. Can I move on? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Everyone done?
Yes, sir.
Right. Please redo all of these questions again. Acha, by the way, sir, how will I write the molecular orbital diagram? You will write it like this. Sigma 1s, sigma 1s star, sigma 2s, sigma 2s star directly. Once you write this, you can directly write now. You don't have to draw the atomic orbital. Sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2. After that, phi and phi. Phi 2px, this phi 2py. Electrons are 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. This makes sense, yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Raise your hand if you're done. ये बना लीजिए molecular orbital diagram भी. I am not going to like I have to make. I mean, when I am going to change the case right now, not right now. See, next we are going to move on to carbon. In carbon, what is going to happen? In carbon, you will put one electron here and one electron here. That is the only change that's going to happen because the case will be same. You're going to have 12 electrons, less than 14. The case will be still 2. And when you are going to fill 12, that means this much after filling this much, you will add one electron here and one electron here. So, I mean, it's not going to change too much. There will be only C double bond C. Both the bonds in carbon C2 molecule is going to be pi bond. Okay, so that will be again a homework. Sixth case, carbon 2. You guys will be able to do this, yes or no? Please tell me. हो जाएगा सबसे? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Waiting for Ali and Zainab. Just give me a second. To plug my. After that, seventh one. N2. Okay? N2 molecule. See, total number of electrons. How much total number of electrons? बोलिए. Total number of electrons. How many electrons in nitrogen? How much? How much?
14.
14. Very good. 14, that means case 1 or case 2?
Case 2.
Case 2. Still case 2, right? So molecular electronic configuration. Sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, then pi 2px equal to pi 2py. Okay, so I will write it like this generally. So just to remind myself that these are orbitals with similar energy. 1 electron, 2 electron, 3 electron, 4 electron. So here we have filled how much? 8 and 4, that is 12. After that, we are going to have sigma 2p z, and this will be also 2. So this is bonding, anti-bonding, again bonding, again anti-bonding. There are 4 electrons here, which is what? Bonding. Here also we are having bonding. Total number of bonding electrons is what? 2, 4, 8, 9, 10. Number of anti-bonding, it is equal to how much? Number of anti-bonding, it is equal to 4 only, right? So bond order will be equal to 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. 6 by 2, it is equal to 3. So nitrogen will be having 3 bonds, N2. Molecule exists. and we can say all electrons therefore diamagnetic. We have to study N2 in a bit of detail. Copy this down, raise your hand once you're done. Okay. So for us, if I want to draw the nitrogen case, it is going to be something like this. See, don't write now. 1s, 1s star, 2s, 2s star, and then pi, pi, then sigma. Then again, what do we have? Tell me, guys. After this, what do we have? We have pi, right? Yes or no? I see it
Yes.
here, right? So we have here sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s. Then here we have sigma star 2s. Here we have what? Pi 2p y, and here we have pi 2p x. Here we have sigma 2p z. Here we have pi star 2p x, and here we have pi star 2p y. देखिए. So when you are having N2, in the case where what we are looking at, we are looking at N2 molecule, right? N2. N2 में तो we have seen a few things. N2. By the way, what are we looking at? We are going to look at the we will look at first of all metallic behavior. No, sorry, magnetic behavior, and then number of bonding, number of anti-bonding, then bond order, then bond strength, then bond energy, and bond length, and existence, whether it will exist or not exist. है ना? ठीक है. If I talk about the magnetic behavior for N2, ठीक है, N2 के लिए एक बार हम बना देते हैं आप लोग के लिए. Right? So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So magnetic behavior is what? Magnetic behavior is diamagnetic. Diamagnetic. Number of bonding, यहाँ पे चलिए वो भी कर देते हैं bonding anti bonding के लिए. This is bonding, this is anti bonding, this is bonding, this is anti bonding, this is bonding, this is also bonding. Both of these are bonding, this is also bonding, and this is anti bonding. If you are going to have electrons here, I'm just for the sake, because we are going to look at one case. How many bondings? 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number of bonding is, we have already seen that it is equal to what? 10. Number of anti bonding, it is equal to 4. So 10 minus 4 is 6, 6 by 2, it is equal to 3. Okay, bonds we are going to compare, not right now. It exists, yes, it is going to exist. These are the things that we are going to compare. Now please see. Next देखिएगा जरा N2 positive. What will happen in N2 positive? We are going to add electron or remove electron. Tell me, guys. What will happen in N2 positive? We are going to add electron or remove electron.
Remove electron.
Remove electron. So we are going to remove electron. So what is the highest energy electron here? Which electron is having the highest energy? Which electron is having the highest energy? अभी तो बताया ना हमने. I think I have told ना. This is the order of energy. Sigma 1s is lowest energy. This is how your energy is increasing. So which is having the highest energy? Which electron? Tell me, guys. Which electron is having the highest? Huh?
Sigma 1s.
Sigma 1s is having lowest energy, na?
Yes,
Sigma
sir.
2pz.
Yeah, correct. See, this is the energy order, na? I say, okay, fine, fine. नया नया है, तो थोड़ा confuse है. Lowest energy is sigma 1s. I hope, fine, you guys know this now.
Yes.
Okay, fine. ठीक है, sigma 2pz. Sigma 2pz. So we are going to remove electron from the sigma 2pz. Now once you remove the electron from, we have removed from bonding. First thing what that changes that it becomes a paramagnetic substance. We have removed from bonding. That means it will become what? 9. This will be 4 and this will be 2.5. Does it exist? Yeah, it is going to obviously exist because there is bond. Bond is present between them. What will happen if I have N2 negative? Now in N2 negative, first of all, this is my N2. This is my N2. If you are going to add electron, you are going to add only anti-bonding like this. So now what's going to happen? This is again going to be paramagnetic. The number of bonding it is still the same. That is still we have not changed that, but we have increased the number of anti-bonding or anti-bonding electron. That is 5. Here also the bond order is going to be 2.5, and the molecule is obviously going to exist. If I talk about the bond strength, then N2 has 3 bonds. That is why it will be the most. It is going to have the highest bond strength. But what about 2.5? 2.5? How are you going to compare? You are going to look at the number of anti-bonding. Here we have only 4 anti-bonding. Here we have 5 anti-bonding. So if anti-bonding increases, the bond strength will be low. Bond strength will be low. If you have the bond order same, you are always going to look at the anti-bonding. If the anti-bonding is high, that higher anti-bonding, less stable, less bond strength. Right. So in that case, we can say that N2 positive will be having higher bond energy rather than N2 negative, because N2 negative has 5 anti-bonding, but N2 positive only has 4 anti-bonding. Bond energy is going to follow the same order. That is, N2 is going to be highest, N2 positive is going to be higher, and N2 negative will be the next. Now, in order of bond length, it follows the reverse order. So N2 will be having the smallest bond length, right? It's going to have smallest bond because the atoms are closer together, right? Because we are having bond order of 3, they are attracted towards each other very effectively. Then you will be having for N2 positive and then for N2 negative. Does this make sense? Yes or no? Please tell me, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
अरे बच्चे आते हो क्या भाई साहब? इतना हार्ड पढ़ा दिया क्या हमने? Hey, this is NCERT only. I'm not teaching anything else, right? This is NCERT. You will not find it in NCERT. It is there as a question. Also not for N2 but for O2 that we are going to look next. Raise your hand if you're done. Done, everyone. Next year, we are going to look at the case of 8-1, that is O2. So, total number of electrons is equal to 16. है ना? Now you can see me case 1, case 2.
Case 1.
Case 1. Okay. So sigma. Directly we are going to look at the case. Okay. O2, O2 positive, O2 negative. All of these cases we are going to look at. Right. यहाँ पे sigma. Space. Sigma 1s, sigma star, sigma 2s, sigma star. After that, you are going to have sigma 2pz. 1 आ जाएगा. ठीक है. 1 orbital वाला आ जाएगा. Case 1. Then you are going to have pi. Then again you are going to have pi. And then the space is around. Then. So we are going to look at some cases. What are those cases? We are going to look at O2 2 negative, O2 2 negative. We are going to look at O2 negative. We are going to look at O2. We are going to look at O2 positive and O2 2 positive. Fine. Hopefully ध्यान दीजिए समझ में आता जाएगा. Don't write now. है ना? If you are going to write, you will be confused. Try to think and predict what I am going to do. First of all, we will look at O2. O2 में we have to fill 16 electrons. Very easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 like this. Okay, let me label them as BMO or ABMO. This is bonding, anti-bonding. This is again bonding. This is anti-bonding. This is again bonding. This is again bonding. This is again anti-bonding. And sigma 2p that is 2p. काम नहीं आने वाला, but still sigma star blue color sigma star 2p z, which is going to be anti-bonding. ठीक है. चलिए. Metallic magnetic behavior. Then we are going to look at the number of bonding. Then we are going to look at number of anti-bonding, which will tell us the bond order. Then we are going to compare the from the bond order, we can compare the bond strength, we can compare the bond dissociation energy, we can also compare the bond length, we can also compare the existence. For O2, the magnetic behavior will be what? Tell me guys. क्या होगा? Paramagnetic, diamagnetic, जल्दी बताइए. Turn your mic on, tell me guys. बोलो. Keep your mic on, all of you guys. Keep your mic on. अब mic off नहीं होना है, ठीक है? बताइए. Para और dia?
Paramagnetic.
Veer, just paramagnetic. Very good. And then number of bonding? Number of bonding? Count please.
10.
10. Very good. 10. Anti-bonding?
4.
Once
6.
again, these two are also anti-bonding. Those single occupied. Right? How much? 6?
6.
Tell me guys. 6? 6 pakka. Jasleen and Zainab, why your mic is off? Jasleen and Zainab, keep your mic on. Jasleen, bond order, tell me. Tell me the bond order. Bond order. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. 4 by 2 is equal to
Two.
Two. Very good. Then what do we have? No, we don't have to do anything. Okay, actually. I am taking the negative part. O2 negative, I will add one electron. So I added one electron. Like now, what changed? Anti-bonding or bonding? What did change? What changed? Tell me, guys. When I did this, what changed? Anti-bonding changed. Anti-bonding. This is what you have to think in terms. You don't have to see pi star, pi star. You have to think about bonding or anti-bonding. See, the magnetic behavior, it is still going to be what? It is still going to be paramagnetic. Number of bonding we have not changed, that will be 10. In anti-bonding, we have added, it will be 5. This will be 2.5. Makes sense? Yes or no? Arey bolo. 2.5 नहीं 1.5. 2.5. 2.5.
Yes, sir.
No, 7 is not. My bad. 7. यहाँ पे 7 होगा, not 5. We have added now 7 होगा 7. My bad. It will be 1.5. Makes sense? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes,
I will
sir.
add one more electron.
Yes, sir.
And I will add one more electron. O2 negative. This will be now. Tell me. बोलते जाइए. आएगा बहुत जल्दी जल्दी आएगा. बोलो बोलो. बोलो. What should I write here? बोलो जोर से जोर से जोर से.
8. Diamagnetic.
P, and then after that,
10.
after that, 10, 10, after that,
8.
जल्दी, 8, after that.
1.
जोर से,
1.
1, very good. ठीक है, आ रहा है, yes or no, please tell me.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, now,
Sir,
in
should it
O2
be
positive,
diamagnetic?
हाँ, it will
Sir.
be there. Diamond. जल्दी में देखो क्या हो जाता है. Now, O2 positive we will remove one electron. ठीक है, we will remove one electron. When we remove one electron, it will be what still paramagnetic.
Paramagnetic.
Bonding, we have not disturbed bonding. Bonding is still 10.
10.
Anti-bonding,
5.
5. This will be 2.5. O2 positive के लिए बता दी कैसी? Para और dia?
Diamagnetic.
Dia. है ना? Because we are going to remove this electron also. Right? Now this is O2 positive. Not tell me. Did we disturb bonding? 10. After that?
4. 4.
10, 4, and then
3.
3. ठीक है? So obviously this is O2. Now we can write O2 negative. O2 negative. O2, O2 positive, O2, 2 positive. We have to write the order for all of these. Huh? Have a look. So bond strength will be highest for O2 positive because there is P bond order. Bond dissociation energy will also be higher for this one. Bond length will be having the opposite formula. और existence में हमने क्यों ही कॉपी कर दिया. Existence में तो सिर्फ टिक और क्रॉस करना था ना. All of these are going to be existing, है ना. ये सारे के सारे क्या करेंगे? Exist करेंगे. Because the bond order is never 0. All exist. Copy this down. Please redo this 2 or 3 times. This whole exercise. They will ask, show how O2 molecule is paramagnetic. You have to do this with molecular orbital story. है ना? Just waiting for Abir. Okay, so this is the end of this chapter, chemical bonding, and we have. I will teach. I will take one or two lectures for states of matter, which is not there in the syllabus. But there are certain topics that we need to know in order to understand the thermodynamics efficiently, right? So in order to understand thermodynamics efficiently, we will be taking two lectures on states of matter. Okay, there will be two lectures on states of matter that will be only for the sake of what understanding the gas laws and some intermolecular forces of attraction. Okay, so states of matter, it is not there in the syllabus for sure, but in order to understand the complete next we are going to start thermodynamics next. Okay, I hope everyone is fine with it, right? Shaima, Abir, Jasneem, Venom.
Yes.
Thermodynamics.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. There will be homework given. Please do the assignment. Already we have given you some homework. So उसके अलावा कुछ there will be small questions I will be giving you as assignment. Please do them